everybody! This video is going to show you Twinkle Twinkle step by step so you can play it with the first part of the video that was the play along. Okay, so the song is quite easy because there's only 3 sections and we call this A, B, A, and both A sections are exactly the same, which you of course know because everyone basically can sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So we start on our D string. Make sure you have a good posture, you're sitting in your chair nicely, you have a good bow hold. Make sure your thumb is nice and relaxed, not bent like this. It's very important. Okay? So first we start with 2 open Ds, and then 2 open As, and then we put our first finger down, which is called B, 2 times, and then open A. So that's the opening. It's the first 7 notes. 2 Ds, 2 As, 2 Bs, you got it, and then open A. Now the hard part, prepare all 4 fingers on the D string. Play the 4th, you kind of play backwards. I call it going backwards down the string. So 4th finger for G, F sharp, E first finger, and then open D. So that's the beginning of the song. Let me play it for you again. Prepare 4th finger. That's the hardest part. Now the middle section, you start on your A string, you play 2 A's, you prepare the 4th finger again, twice, and then 2 F sharps, 3rd finger, and then 1 long E, which is your 1st finger. And then it happens again. Prepare the 4th finger, F sharp, 3rd finger, and then 1st. So here's the B section. And then it goes back to the A section, back to the beginning of the song. Alright, hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want any other videos made, include it in the comments and I'll make sure I'll make you your own video. Alright, have a great day. Stay safe.